Good morning, parrots. Welcome to our channel Bank Nifty Zones, and we are analyzing here Nifty and Bank Nifty by using a very innovative method, which is two lines method, and we are not using anything which is technical, fundamental. It is like we are not using candlestick, chart patterns, indicators, option chain, and still we can analyze Indian stock market in a really stronger way, and we can create completely good convictions out of it. So let us analyze what is happening with Nifty and Bank Nifty today. So if you are checking about Nifty, so basically we can clearly identify what FIs are doing with our indices, and to analyze that method is very simple. You should know the range, different ranges present on indices. The primary zone range is there for Nifty, which is of 0.800 approximately. So two primary moves are completed and Nifty has entered into the third primary now. You can clearly see we are into third primary, and Nifty has a capacity during this run. Nifty has capacity to come down by 267 points. So from this also it will have a capacity to come down by 267 points, that is 18,260. But Nifty has a capacity to go up approximately from this low, not from that. From this low, it has a capacity to grow approximately 18,900 points. Okay. So let us see what is happening with primary range. As RSI is positive, it is above 51. Still primary has tend to go up. What about secondary? If we are checking secondary, it is again positive. So it has a capacity to go up. And the minor zone range, what it is showing, it is also showing a positive run. So the price can have a capacity from any high to come down by at least 120 points, which is 18,400 approximately, or price has a capacity to go up as the target shown in the previous time frame. Okay, so this was the analysis for Nifty, and then we will analyze Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, we can see Bank Nifty is already okay. We can consider this or this. Let us first consider this. Bank Nifty already entered into the third primary, still bullish. RSS shows showing it is in bullish move, but it is in struggling. The move is not so clear. It is struggling, and the price has a capacity to reach to this point at least 43,900, approximately 44,000. But within the same during the same run, it has a capacity to come down to 42,600. So the if you clearly see the price action, the first primary, second, and third primary without any base, the price is traveling to upside, right? And the nature of the travel is sluggish. So whenever this kind of nature is happening, or this kind of move is happening with the price has a capacity to come down by approximately to 2100 points from 2x. So when price will reach to 43,900, it has a capacity to come down to 41,500, 41 sorry 800, or from this point price has a capacity to come down by 750 points. If it is crossing below this, then the capacity will get increases. Otherwise, still all the time frames, all the ranges are showing positive move. In 15 minutes, even you can see the price is still in bullish mode. And in 5 minutes, again, it is showing, okay, it is on the edge. So at least 1% of down move has happened. What we can check in this from the recent high, at least 1% down move has still price has not broken any minor zone range. So if market opens below this, then it has a capacity to come down to total 750 point from this top. Otherwise, we have good scope to go up till this point, 44,000. Okay, so this was about Bank Nifty. Let us check the ranges. The what is happening with primary and secondary. These are the same ranges, but here we are plotting these ranges since last many months so that we can get a clear picture what is happening with the price. So we can see the previous high to previous low. As this distance is covered, now the price has capacity to travel to 46,000. So 44 is actually achievable with the capacity of secondary coming down any high from this point, any high from this high to this low, from this high to this low, from this high to this low, from this high to this low. So here we can see that the price is approaching to this and it has a capacity to come to this point. So these are the two targets, 44,000 and the 44,600, 40 to 600. And if we are checking the minor zone range, this is the minor zone range. So at this point, we had said the 500 points up move is expected, but it was not as projected. Okay, why it was not as projected? Let us go to the projections. So in our Bank Nifty prediction, your Twitter handle, what we had posted on 21st November, okay, is the Bank Nifty stuck between DB, which is decision box, and so there is an upcoming deadly move worth strength 500 points. Okay, in this case, from this period, if the price is coming out from any side, the meaning of this statement is it can run to 500 points, and that's a deadly move. But what we have seen in the actuals is it is not a deadly move. Still, the 500 points move has happened from this point, but it was very sluggish. That is why we got next PZ downside. Okay, so the sluggish run, nothing but followed by the sharp fall or followed by the fall normally. Okay, and all this run has happened in sluggish way, so we can just imagine when the price will reach to this 44,000, what kind of fall we can expect from the price if all the ranges are broken. So this is the analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we are still expecting up move in both the indices. Again, I forgot to say, please subscribe, share, and comment on the video. If you have any query about any stock, please post those in the comment box so that we can analyze in the upcoming video. And then let's meet in tomorrow live market. You can get update in our WhatsApp group as well as in our Twitter handle, on our Twitter handle. So this was the analysis for 28th November, and let's meet tomorrow on 29th. Thank you, pirates.